There's a huge myth. People think that paying a debt collection account actually removes it from your credit report. It doesn't. It updates to paid in full or paid for settlement, and it's not going to help your credit score. So watch this.
Calls may be monitored or recorded.
I don't have an account number. I was just calling with a quick question for you.
Yes, sir.
So my parents have a collection, and they want to know if they pay a collection account, does it actually remove it from the credit report?
I mean, typically what happens is we report as paid in full, so not a removal. But I would need to see the account and speak with you said your mom?
So when a debt collection account is paid, it updates to paid in full, but it does not remove it from the credit report.
Correct. Typically, yes, sir.
Gotcha. Okay. Thank you for your time. If you found this video to be helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a positive comment below. I read all of the comments, and I love you guys.